Today I'm going to show you 10 of the wigs that I wore in February. All right, well, here we are, March. How? How did that happen so fast? This year already is flying by, isn't it? Well, if you're new to my channel, let me say welcome. I'm glad you're here. Once a month, I do a little short video of the wigs I wore the previous month. Well, not all the wigs. 10 of the wigs I wore in the previous month. Now, this is not a wig review. If you've been with me for a while, I always say the same thing, but this is for anyone that is new to my channel. This is not a wig review. If that's what you're looking for, this is not that. This is just me showing you a few of the styles I wore in the previous month. However, if you see one of these wigs that you want to know more about, I've already reviewed all of these wigs. All you have to do is put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel, and all these wigs are there. It'll pop up for you, and the video will have cap construction, discussing a fit, permatease, indoor and outdoor color. Everything is in the full review. This is just a fast, fun little video that I do every month for my viewers. Okay, so all the wigs I'm going to show you today, of course, are from Wig Studio One. There will be links in the drop-down box to things. As you know, my channel has changed this year. I'm showing a lot of my fashion, which has been so much fun. What could be better? Wigs and fashion, right? You know, I've always told you I change my hair depending on what I'm wearing. So I have been having so much fun sharing my fashion with you because I get so many questions about what I wear, and I am a big fan of affordable fashion. So if I have something on in a video, I will link it in the drop-down box. You can follow me on my other platforms, which show all of my fashion. So it has just been a lot of fun, added to what I already love, which is wigs. And to me, marrying the two, putting my wigs in fashion, has just been a breath of fresh air for me. So I hope you enjoy that as well. So let's get started and talk about some of the wigs I wore in February. Let's start it out with Raquel Welch Untold Story SS Iced Latte Macchiato. Y'all, I'm always going to love this wig. It's kind of like my Upstage. You know, I love it, but I really like Untold Story. If Upstage is way too much fiber for you, you might have a look at this one. Like I said, always going to be a favorite. I love the silhouette of this. I like the long layers around the face. There's nothing about it I don't like. Raquel Welch, Untold Story. This is my Yvette from Push Hair by Wig Studio One. This color is Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. Another, I've worn this so many times and shown it to you so many times. This is such a nice wig, y'all. I love the layers. I love the little waves. I love the silhouette around the front. It's just a winner. The lace front is gorgeous. The highlighting, of course, we all know and love Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, so you're familiar with this color. But isn't this pretty? This is Yvette by Push Hair. I do love a good pixie, and this one I have been reaching for time and time again. I've showed it to you so many times. This is Estetica Jayce in Caramel Kiss. Y'all, as the spring and summer comes along, I'm going to be reaching for more of my short styles. I have actually been gathering a lot of pixies, so stay tuned for a big showcase coming up. This is another one. I like the little bit longer nape on this. It will cover your hair if you have any hair growing down on your neck. This does not lift. Y'all, this, if you haven't tried this one, I think they hit a home run with Jayce. This is Envy Gia Mono and Sahara Blonde. Oh, I fell in love with Gia Mono as soon as I took this out of the box in this color. I like this Sahara Blonde. I think it's wearable. I think these waves are beautiful. I like the length on this. This is going to wear longer because you don't have that friction on your clothing. Nice wig. Again, this has a beautiful silhouette on it. Y'all, if you haven't looked at this yet, don't count this wig out. I think it's becoming really popular and one you might want to take a look at. Okay, this is Gabor Own The Room in Fiery Copper. Y'all, I wear this wig so much. I've about worn this wig out. I have worn it so many times. I get so many compliments on it. I just think there's some things about this that are really nice. The face framing layers on this one are done very well. And look how, you see how this sweeps around? It's very textured there and very layered. It makes it super easy to wear. Wear it behind your ears. There's not a wrong way. This is a very nice wig and a very popular style. If you like a longer, straight style, have a look at this one. Of course, the color. Look at the highlighting. Oh, such a beautiful wig. This is nice and a half up and half down. So much you're able to do with this one. All right, this is one either you love or you don't. And you know, that's totally fine, right? We all don't have to like the same things. Actually, I think it's boring if we all like the same things. I like that we all have a different personality. We have different hair. We like what we like. This is Tresure Charlotte Realistic EL 12 22/8 new style. Now y'all, you know, I'm all about the flip. So this was right up my alley. I think they did a beautiful job on this. It is light as air. I love the fibers on this wig. You know, this is what I like your hair wig. It's one of those. I think I've told you before, every week for years, my brother, my husband, and myself and our best friend go to dinner. Same restaurant, same table, same waiter. For years now, and I wear, of course, a different wig every week. And I wore this last week, and I had so many people there tell me, oh my gosh, I love that one. I love your hair. This is a fun wig. Now, it's got a lot going on in the back. Like I said, this is one you like or you don't, but I think it's adorable. I love it. I'm all about that flip. This is such a cute style. Wear it behind your ears. Really, you can dress this up, make it super casual, however you want to wear it. I think it's very versatile. I personally like these straight pieces around the face. I think it gives it a little interest. And the way they highlighted this color is beautiful. If you're not crazy about this style, at least look at this color in some different styles because I think it's done exceptionally well. This is one I think doesn't get enough love. This is Renea Paris, Vero Marble Brown Rooted. Y'all look at this color and look at the style of this wig. This has such beautiful waves. This just feels like a beautiful head of human hair. It is just beautiful. So much movement in this style. Long layers. Again, it has enough length that I feel like you can do a lot with this wig. I just don't think it gets enough love. I think it's overlooked because I think it is gorgeous. It reminds me very much of my Jon Renau Aurora. This having more hair than Aurora, but just it's kind of along that same vibe. It's very affordable. Y'all, just don't overlook this one. Have a look at it if you haven't already. I'm never going to get enough of this wig. I can tell you that. It is always going to be a favorite and in my wig closet. Ellen Villarays, Pearl Blonde Rooted. I just recently bought a new raise in a different color. And I have a friend who is beginning her chemo and I gave it to her. So I got to order another one. I don't want to be without it. I think this is one, if you are a short wig lover, you should look at this one. Nice nape on this. I like this because it just has a hint of a wave in it. You can really spike this up, separate this out, put some product on this. It's just a staple. It's just, as I call them, the workhorse of your wig wardrobe. You know, it's one anytime you wear, you know it's going to look good. Ellen Villarays. All right, we talked about Aurora earlier when I showed you my Renea Paris, so I thought I would show you Aurora again. This is my second one. I have two. I have my eye on another one. This is such a wearable, beautiful style. I'm just in love with these waves and these wigs. This color, 24 BT 18 SS, S8. Look how pretty this is, y'all. I like this part down the middle. I like the way they made this to go away from your face. I like that. I think that was really good touch on this. One of my favorite Jon Renau wigs that's come out in a very long time. Just the movement of this, the wave pattern of this, the length, I think it is 10 out of 10. All right, this is a fairly new style, Belle Tress Paige. Oh my goodness. It's been the year of the bob, right? We've been talking about that. This last year, I feel like there were so many new bob styles coming out. But hey, I'm here for a good bob. Just your basic bob. That's what I like about it. Sleek, low density. I like how it kind of comes under the face. I think that's flattering for most face shapes. I like this color. Beautiful, beautiful lace front on this style. Belle Tress just knows how to make these wigs. All right, y'all, those were some of the wigs I wore in February. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. Please like and subscribe. I've got so many fun things coming up, y'all. Can't wait to share with you. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And thank you for joining me. Leave me lots of comments. I love to interact with you. You know that. Let me know what you would like to see coming up. I'll do my best. What did we look at today? We had some reds. We had a gray. We've had brunettes, blondes. I think I've about covered it, right? This is so fun for me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.